Okay, so here's the Tapo app. This particular unit here, Tapo C200, is another one we have connected through the app here. So we used to have two devices. This one's still working, Tapo C200. This one here, the C65, I think it's called, is not working. So I'll reset it again.
Reset successful. Rebooting camera. Please wait.
So now it's flashing red and green, which should be ready to set up. So now I add device, outdoor camera, and I've tried it with the 310, which seems to be the same one, and the 65. We'll go with this one. Wireless. Next. Power up and check LED light, which is done already. Next. Connect to your Tapo device. Go into my, there it is there. Connected, no internet access. Now we go back to the Tapo app. Found it. So now it's asking for our Wi-Fi. So there it is there. I'm not going to block it out. I don't think it's really necessary. A long ways away. So that's the password for our router, which the other Tapo phone is connected to right now too. So we go to next. Connect.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Connecting to Wi-Fi, it says.
Incorrect Wi-Fi password.
Incorrect Wi-Fi password. And of course, it's the correct Wi-Fi password, so that's not working. So the other, I'm going to exit setup again. I can set up a hotspot. Wait a minute. Hotspot. Hotspot is back on. So the hotspot is on, so we'll try it again through the hotspot, which is definitely not a WPA3 security, it's WPA2 personal. So we'll go back and add device, outdoor camera, Tapo TC65, wireless, next, next. Go into the settings. Connect. Okay, now we're going to reselect pixel. Password is, just a sec. Password pixel. Next, connect to the hotspot. Connecting to Wi-Fi, it says.
Incorrect Wi-Fi password.
Incorrect Wi-Fi password. I've been stuck on this for 2 days now, so. So that's all I can do. I've tried many different ways. I've reset it a dozen times. Nothing seems to be working. So